morning, this is Femtop Ford once again. So today we shall be talking about what makes engine to run or what makes engine to start. That is called combustion process of all engines. Combustion process of all engines are in two principles. We have the Otto cycle and the Clark cycle. For most motor vehicles like Ford, they are Otto cycle, which is combustion. First-stroke cycle, we will not talk about first-stroke cycle today. That's induction, compressor, power, and exhaust. But we are talking mainly about the combustion. And what is responsible for the combustion? Combustion means spontaneous burning of fire. Move closer, it's too far. Combustion means spontaneous burning of fire. So, and in an enclosure, in a sealed chamber. So, what is responsible or what are responsible for this combustion? There are just three things which we all know. Those are elements of fire. We have the what? The fuel. Fuel can be anything. It can be the petrol, it can be the kerosene, it can be the PMS, CNG, diesel, and so on and so forth. It can even be alcohol. That's fuel. Then the second one is air or oxygen. And the third one is heat or spark. So, but today we'll be talking about spark. What is responsible for that spark in combustion process of vehicle is called spark plug. So I will need the video very close to the spark plug. So this is what we call spark plug. There was a time I was talking about spark plug. People see it as spark plug, but it's not just a unit item. There are about 6 items that are combined together, integral to become spark plug. I will start from the top. This is the what? Copper terminal. This line. This one is ceramic insulator. Ceramic insulator like the one you have at home. Ceramic. In your electrical connection at home, you know, you have some connector or fuse that you connect together. That place you are holding that prevents you from being electrocuted is used or is made of ceramic. So ceramic is totally insulated, or totally is an insulation to current flow, or it's an insulation to conduction. That means current can never flow through ceramic. So this ceramic insulator, then this hexagonal band, while this is the heat probe and thread, heat range probe and thread. Then this terminal here, let me use this little broom. This terminal here, move the closer. Yes, this terminal here, this one I'm touching is called arc electrode. While the one in the middle is called central electrode. How does it work? An eye surge from the source. That means from the electrical system of the vehicle supplies. I will not talk about the electrical system of the vehicle today. I'm only emphasizing on the spark plug. Eye surge from electrical source of the vehicle comes here to the terminal, which is conductor, then flows through internal part, which is the central electrode I mentioned. Once you get to this point, which is a gap, I think I would like people to see the gap. There is a gap here. Yes. Once the eye surge flows and gets to this point, it jumps to the arc, because whenever a current flow, it tries to flow and get back to the source through the what? Negative. So now the current flows, it has to go back to the source through negative. This arc electrode, which is negative, and this central electrode that transmits the what? The eye surge. So it jumps here. As it jumps, there is a spark that is being introduced. Once the spark is created, there is what? Heat that will be introduced into the what? Fuel and air that is already present in the engine for combustion. So this plug, there are two types. All plugs are two types. We have the long heat range plug. That means the cylinder has a longer heat range before the heat in the combustion process will be what? Will be conducted into the cooling system. Then we have the short heat range. If you look at these two plugs, look at, I'm putting, okay, let me do like this. You can see their head, the terminal. So you can see one is shorter. So this area from ear to ear is the length of the, or the thickness of the cylinder head. which takes longer time to be conducted into cooling system for the engine to cool down, or for the engine temperature to be checked or to be reduced. So that type, for starting system at cold starting, it warms up faster than this. So all plugs, one must be conversant of the usage of plug. Most people, they replace plug here, now and there. No, you don't replace plug every time. Yes, when you are having your routine service, all you need to do is just engine oil and oil filter. The air filter, because of the dust that is what trap during the inhaling of the air for the combustion. So the plug can even last till the lifespan of the vehicle. It depends on the depreciation. Come closer. Yes, look at it. Look at between the ceramic insulator and the hexagonal band. There is, you will see a stain here. This one is caused by compression leak. When compression is leaking, it flows through the probe and escape from here. So this stain is caused by compression leak. So this plug is already bad because it's already leaking compression. Likewise this, yes, there is a stain. Leave that one aside. There's a stain here. So secondly, if the arc electrode is being reduced or being worn out, is also bad, because the gap at which the eye surge will jump will take some fraction of seconds increase, and that will affect the timing of the combustion. Good luck and